Hello everyone, this is Ricardo Review. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing a new rod that I ordered from SeaKnight. Um, as you can see, it's very well packed. I never had problems ordering things from SeaKnight, but they send it from a local warehouse. So I'm from Portugal and they send it from Spain. Uh, Let me open the package. This is a cardboard package. Some dealers on AliExpress will send it on cardboard rolls, on cardboard boxes with plastic bubble wrap, and some like Mavlos will send you the rod on a PVC tube. So I ordered a SeaKnight Kraken, the 198 centimeter rod, which is 6 foot 7 inches. It comes on this black sleeve with a reference of the rod. So it's the 198 light action. The delivery to me was very fast, so no problems with that. So the first part, as you can see, the finishing for the price, it's amazing. This is under $40. Look at the detail on the rod, on the reel seat. The foam also is very nice. This is a 30 plus 40 ton carbon construction. Nice hook keeper. Nice details with the name of the rod. Kraken, SeaKnight Kraken. And this also, for a budget rod, it features Fuji guides, which is very nice, and you can feel and see the quality of them. This part of the rod, I think it's solid, so it's not a hollow tube. This is a light action rod with medium fast action. The tip is also very good looking, with a very nice finishing. The epoxy and the guides are very well glued, all of them. The tip is hollow and it has a nice flex to it. So this rod only weighs, after assembly, it's a 2-piece, 190 grams or 3.8 ounces. So with this rod, you can throw lures in between 3 and 8 grams or 1/10 to 1/3 of an ounce. The top, some people use it as a guide of what really the rod can do. It's 1.9 millimeters, and the rod is very nice. It's a 6/6 light rod with a nice hook keeper made of carbon in a good brand from AliExpress. I put it in the same regard on rod build as Casking, maybe Surunoya. They don't have a lot of duds. They had some duds in the reel department, but they are now fixing it. So for me, this is a must. I will do a follow-up after the unboxing to tell you how good it is. I will be pairing this rod with this Sienna 2500, and I hope it will catch me a lot of fish. Bye, see you next time.